India has 1.4 billion people. South Korea has barely 50 million. So why is the world suddenly valuing South Korea more highly? And before you say technology, the real answer seems to be much bigger than that. Because hidden behind this ranking is a warning. A warning about where global money is flowing, a warning about which industries are winning, and a warning about what investors may be underestimating right now. So, Monk, how did India lose to South Korea? And what does it reveal about the future of investing? Most people think India lost because South Korea has a better economy. Well, that is not true. India's economy is actually growing very fast. But the reason here is very simple. Don't forget to listen till the end to understand the true mechanics behind it. The world is currently obsessed with one thing: artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence needs chips, lots of chips. Every artificial intelligence model, every artificial intelligence chatbot, every AI data center runs on semiconductor infrastructure. Whoever controls that infrastructure attracts the capital. And that is exactly where South Korea has a massive advantage. While investors are talking about AI, they are buying the companies powering AI. Think about a gold rush. Most people focus on the gold. Smart investors focus on the people selling the shovels. Today, AI is the gold rush. Semiconductors are the shovels, and South Korea is one of the biggest shovel sellers in the world. That is why money has been flowing aggressively into the market. Now, here is the important part. This is not a story about India failing. It is a story about what global investors are valuing today. India still has strong demographics, strong consumption, strong digital infrastructure, and one of the fastest growing major economies in the world. But the market is rewarding something very specific right now: artificial intelligence infrastructure, advanced manufacturing, semiconductors, and high value technology exports. South Korea has a head start in those areas, and that is why it recently overtook India in market rankings. But here is the lesson most investors miss: the ranking itself doesn't matter. The reason behind the ranking does. Because markets are telling us where they believe future profits will come from. And right now, they believe the biggest opportunities are sitting inside the AI ecosystem. That is why semiconductor companies are booming. That is why AI infrastructure is booming. And that is why countries connected to that ecosystem are attracting so much capital. So, should investors abandon India? Absolutely not. If anything, this story highlights India's next opportunity. The countries that win over the next decade won't just grow, they'll move higher up the value chain. They'll build technologies the world cannot ignore, and they'll attract capital because of it. That is the real reason behind South Korea overtaking India. Not that India is losing, but that the world is rewarding innovation more aggressively than ever before. And investors who understand where capital is flowing usually arrive before the crowd. If you want finance, investing, and economic trends explained before they become the headlines, subscribe to the channel, because the markets reward understanding long before it rewards the money.